Hello YouTube family. Today I am going to make the crochet MorPankh Rakhi. For this we need of course the peacock color, the blue peacock, and first we make a chain here, magic ring. Next wrap the yarn around your finger and just make a slip knot, then one chain, wrap it, go from the middle, take this out, one half double crochet, and cotton yarn I am using over here by the way guys. Then second half double crochet, okay. Then 5 double crochet, 5 double and 5 double crochet, okay. Then wrap the yarn thrice, 1 2 and then 3, go from the middle, take this out one time, 2 3 and then that triple crochet. Yes, from where we started. Yes, is it clear now? Look, is it clear? Look that how beautiful it is looking, all symmetry. Yes, cut the thread and insert another color of thread. Now here I'm going to use another color of yarn, but there is a particular place where we need to insert it, okay. From anywhere we cannot do, we are going to do from the top of it. This is the tricks, okay. This is the hack I am going to tell you. From the top we insert another color of yarn, make a slip knot, slip stitch, again 1 2 1 chain, then 1 slip stitch, 1 chain and 1 more slip, right? So in such way we are going to come at the bottom of it, 1 slip, again 1 chain and 1 slip knot. So here at the bottom, here pe, yes, here. Now here 3 chain and then from the bottom of this loop, 1 loop and 2 loop, take this out, make it 1, and then of the top 2 loops again wrap the yarn and take this out. This is called Peacock, okay. The same way we are going to do around another side. The way we have done it, you can check the video, skip it, otherwise you will not going to see it. The video will be very long. Look, this is the from the last loop, make a slip knot, right? 1 color completed. Now the third round. Now this is the third round. Look, here is the trick. देख लीजिए, from the other outer part of this layer we are going to insert this another color of yarn from the outside, 2 layer. So make just simple slip knot, slip knot, just do slip knot from the outer layer of it. Achha, visible? Just to attach the slip with slip knot, okay. This is the way all over around, make slip knot of this yellow color yarn, slip knot, slip knot, slip knot all over this and come this point, okay. Then I'll tell you the last part. So from where we started we have finished it up, the third, and now the fourth one. For this again cotton yarn, of course I'm using it, and here from this point, from where we started the yellow part, we are going to start the same way. Now here the last round and the last part, and then the video will be very, I am trying to make it within very short duration. So here 1, 2 and then 3, right, and from the bottom the 3 chain, and from the bottom we need to do the Peacock stitch. Here we go, insert it, take it out, make 1 slip knot and insert it with the next loop outer part. See, again 1, 2 and then 3 from the bottom of it, take this out, 2, grab the yarn, make 1 more, so 1 on the skip 1, the next one, insert and make a slip knot. This is the way we are going to do, and here we are going to make 3, 1, 2 and then 3, 3 chain and 3 Peacock. Here again slip knot, skip 1, the next one, outer layer, make a Peacock, 3, and now we are going to do 4 chain with the bigger size. Here the smaller, now here we are going to do the bigger one, 4 chain and make same way, bottom loop, take this out and do 1 Peacock, and make sure that you are going to do from the outer part of this chain, okay, outer part. So this is the trick over here, make a slip knot. This is the way we do all around over here, and then I'll show you, otherwise the video will be very big, you cannot. Now done with it, make it little bit more classy, so I'm just putting a bead, and the beads over here at the middle center. See how beautiful it is, and I'm going to put, see here with thread, I'm just showing you how to make the thread, and then you'll see